All right, let's get started with this week's project. We'll start with the hierarchy here. Under the visuals of my desk root, I have my canvas with a panel and also the image below it. So I'll start by selecting the canvas. So you can see over here the inspector for it. And now I'll go to the panel. I'm not sure if you need to see that, but here's the inspector for the panel. And then for the image, here's my inspector for the image. And I don't know if you need to see the buttons. Maybe you do, but here's that. Let's go to the timeline. Oh, timeline controller. Sorry about that. Here's my image, and this is where I have kind of an activated convergence right here so that it will show and then it will go away so you can see the buttons a little bit better. I also have these markers down here. So these markers will show up on the display, like if you select the market, the water, animals, or crops, different markers are going to highlight to show where the player needs to go. Let's go ahead and get into actually playing this. Okay, let's skip this tutorial. All right, here we go.
Hey,
so if I select
everything here is already growing.
Water the crops.
Your job
if you look over there
is to
above
keep
each
it
of the
that
crop
way.
field, there's little green capsules.
The animals respond
right now the
to
narration's
routine.
talking about water.
Even
so let's
small
go
actions
to
make a
get
difference.
Water.
More animals will bring energy here. Just be ready to keep up.
I am
More
going to be
crops
making
means
paths
steady
and
growth.
more
It takes time,
visibility.
but it
I
pays
just-
off.
I got so much
The garden
into
works
details,
the
I
same
didn't,
way.
Get to do that.
Try
yet.
turning
But here's
on
our
the
green
water.
marker for the water.
Go ahead and make your way over to the water well. It's usually where everything here starts to feel alive again.
And now it should.
This
They
system
turn it
has
on.
been here a long time.
You can press
But it still
go to
works.
market, and there's
Try
a little
turning
market
it
over
on.
there. You can see the little green capsule. And then if we press feed the animals, there's also animals
There
over
it
there
is.
with its green marker.
That's what keeps everything moving.
And I think that's all you needed to see. But that's it.
Let's head over to the crop